Yes, boss. Only this one. So 6 pieces. Okay. Only this. Sir, medical chair. Heavy duty. This is fast item. Fast moving item in ours, sir.
Fine, fine, how are you?
So this one is the set, sir.
Subscribe!
Boss,
Sana
see this
all!
one. This is
Subscribe!
expected delivery for today actually, and then you are the one to pick up here. But suddenly, the fixing guy did not tell this one is 3 boxes is only two chair only here. So that's why all are new. So only one thing, sir. I will ask how we can do like this. I know this very far, but sir, you are asking for the nuts, right? For this one, like this. So there is a nuts also. So I asked to bring more nuts to put in your to give to you tomorrow, sir. Okay. Sir, already here. So I'm waiting for you, sir. Thank you. This is the one you take, sir. E-110 gray color 600 each. This is
Subscribe!
our
Sana all!
last price, sir. They already
Subscribe!
give you 650 and then I give you after discount 50 dirham. So I give you 2 pieces in 1,200, right? Okay, boss. So tomorrow this one is coming here and then fixing here. Okay. And 3 chair and this one is 1.2 beige color. Okay. Thank you. Delivery Monday, this one, how much you are asking? Because the boss they said 50. This one is aware also, aware, nearby your
Baby,
place.
we normally 30. I give you
This is the bill, oh. See, 2.5, M2515, 2.4. Okay. May, baka yan, no? Baka may makita ka sa Shopee, sa Shopee. Yan, oh, ganyang style, pwede na yan. Dito kasi wala akong makitang ganito.
Sana all.
Galing niya sa China, dala ng amo ko. Yan, pwede na yan.